Hello friends, welcome to the Edu School. So today we are going to learn what are the place values and the phase values of a given number. Let us see what are these. Now place values. What is that? Place where the digit in a given number is placed or positioned. That is, suppose we consider a number 4517. This is a number. Now, where will the digits of this number be placed? They will be placed in certain places. What are these places? These are the ones place, the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and so on. That is crores, 10 crores, etc. Now, how to go from ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands, thousands to 10,000s, 10,000s to lakhs, and so on. So one is when we multiply the ones place into 10, we get the tens place. Again, when we multiply the tens place with 10, we get the hundreds place. From 100 to thousands, again we have to multiply by 10. From 1000 to 10,000, again we have to multiply by 10, and so on. So, when we consider a number 4517, how to place these numbers? So let us see. 7 is in its ones position. So 7 will be placed in the ones place. What will be 1? 1 will be positioned in the tens place. 5, that is hundreds place, and 4, that is thousands place, because the number is 4517. Consider this number 11,351. How to place this number? 1 will be placed in the ones place. Okay, that's fine. 5 in the tens place, that is fine too. 3 in the hundreds place. 1 in the thousands place. Now see what the number is. The number is 11,000. That is, one will be placed in the thousands place, and the other one will be placed in its 10,000s place, right? Because the number is 11,000. So 11351. Consider this number 53,610. Similar way, just in a similar way like the previous one, we will place this number as 0 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 6 in its hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, and it is 53, so 5 will be in its 10,000s place. What about a bigger number? Let us see this number. This is 39,27,513. So what about this number? 3 in its ones place, 1 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 7 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place. Till this, it is similar to the previous numbers. Now it is 39. So 9 will be placed in its lakhs place, and since it is 39, so 3 will be placed in its 10 lakhs place. Now let us consider another big number which is bigger than the previous one. 937,31448. That is 9,37,31,448. Till the 10 lakhs place, you know how to place, right? So 8441373. Till the tens lakhs place, it is similar to the previous number, but the number is bigger than the previous one. It is crore, so we have to place this 9 in its crores place. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let us consider the number 85,53,611. 85,53,611. Let us see how to place this number. Now we know that 1 will be in its ones place, another 1 will be again in its tens place. Since it is 611, so 6 will be in its hundreds place, 3 in its thousands place, 5 in the 10,000s place, again 5 in its lakhs place, and 8 in its 10 lakhs place. That is something we have seen in the previous slide. The similar way we are writing this number. Now let us consider, or let us find out how to write the expanded notation or expanded form of this number. Expanded notation can be also written as expanded form. So let us now find out how to write the expanded notation or expanded form of this number. So since 1 is in its ones place, so it will be multiplied by 1, right? Again, the next one is in its tens place, so it will be multiplied by 10. 6 is in its hundreds place, so it will be into 100. 3 in its thousands place, so 3 will be written as 3 into 1000. 5 in the 10,000s place, so 5 into 10,000. What will be the lakhs place then? It will be 5 into 1 lakh, right? And 10 lakhs will be 8 into 10 lakhs. You know that lakh is, there are 5 zeros in a lakh and there are 6 zeros in 10 lakhs. Now let us find out how to write the expanded notation. So since it is 85,53,611, so 8 is multiplied by 10 lakhs plus, when we write expanded notation we give a plus sign. Since it is 85,53,611, so we will denote the expanded form in this manner. 8 into 10 lakh plus 5 into 1 lakh. From here we are getting 5 into 1 lakh, right? Then again 5 into 10,000, 3 into 1000, 6 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 1 into 1. So before every particular expanded notation or every particular notation we give a plus sign. So this is the expanded notation of the number 85,53,611. Now we have learned about the place value. Now let us consider the place value as well as the phase value of a given number. Now what is a phase value? Suppose the number is 4517. So we know that 7 will be placed in its ones position, 1 in its tens position, 5 in its hundreds position, and 4 in its thousands position. So let us now find out what will be the phase value of this number. Now what is phase value? Phase value is nothing but the value of phase value of a digit in a given number is the digit itself. Right? It is the digit itself. That is, suppose the number is 4517. So in this case, the face value of the number 7 is 7 itself. And what will be its place value? Its place value is 7 into 1. Then the number 1. What is the face value of 1? The face value of 1 is 1 itself again. And the place value is 1 into 10. What about 5? Similarly, the face value of 5 is 5 and the place value, since it is placed in its hundreds place, so it will be 5 into 100. And 4, the face value is 4 itself. And what about the place value? It is 4 into 1000. Simple, easy. There is nothing to worry. It's very easy to understand. Hope you have liked this video. To view more such videos and make learning easy and fun, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.